Hi, my name is Parth and today we're going to make anda curry. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil on a low flame. First, add ginger garlic paste, then add onions, now you will stir it around till it's golden brown. Keep stirring. Now add green chilies to the golden brown onions. Now add some chilies and masala powder. Masala. Now stir everything around. Then add cashew powder. Again, stir everything around. Then also add tomatoes. Continue stirring until it becomes this color. Then add water. Now the curry is ready.